Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, you learn the application of the part design dress-up tools like Fillet and Chamfer. You also learn the several ways to invoke these tools. This part design tool is called Fillet. The part design fillet tool creates rounds on the selected edges or at the end of the selected faces of an object. This part design tool is called Chamfer. The part design chamfer tool creates chamfers on the selected edges or at the end of the selected faces of an object. Here are the several ways to select edges, to fillet, or to chamfer. You can select the edges or the faces of the 3D object or the whole 3D object. Here you find the several ways to invoke the part design fillet and chamfer tools and the steps to apply these tools. That is about the theory. Follow the following examples to understand the application of these tools. The first example is about fillet. Here, I have two 3D objects. Make the first object active. Press the fillet button. Select the edges of the first object. Set the radius for the fillet. Select the faces of the first object. Set the parameters again. Activate the second object. In this example, I will show you the third option. This will happen when you activate the option Use All Edges. That is about part design fillet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. In the next example, I will show you the application of chamfer tool. Activate the cylinder object. Press the chamfer tool. Select the surface of the cylinder. Select the option Equal Distance and set the parameter. Now, I will show you the option to distances. To distances means different values for each side. The next option is distance and angle. Change the angle. Creating a chamfer by selecting the edge of the cylinder. The next example is on another type of 3D object. Activate the object. Apply all three options on this object. Apply the option distance and angles and set the parameter. Apply the option Use All Edges and set the parameter. You can also select the faces and use one of the options. That is for today about the application of the part design tools called Fillet and Chamfer. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.